Hey guys, come pack an Etsy order with me. First, I will be pulling out a few freebie stickers. This is a sticker of my old Twitch profile picture. Next, we'll be pulling out one that I call Yippee. It's a little doodle of myself in a frog hat, and then a little Matryoshka doll. Next, they ordered 2 Korok charms. We're going to pull out one stubby boy and one long boy. Now I'm going to stamp the backing cards for the charms. I put a little totally handmade stamp, and then I also do the back side of them with my little initials, which didn't work out that well. It's kind of sad, but I promise the stamp actually works. Now we're putting the Koroks on the backing cards. They're a little finicky, you gotta fiddle with them a little bit, but it works out. And then we tape it so they stay put. Here we are doing the second one. I kind of did it off camera, sorry. And here they are together. Now I am writing out a little thank you card. I always draw a little doodle on the thank you cards of my little frog character I made. His name's Freg. And he is with a couple Koroks and a little Navi. Now I'm writing out a little thank you note. I censored the name of the buyer for their privacy, but here we have the thank you note, and then I put the stickers in the thank you note, and then I seal it closed with some washi tape. Now we are putting everything in the package, and I like to make sure everything is nicely packed in there and not overlapping too much. And then we seal it. And I decided to stamp this to show you that the stamp actually does work. Now, I censored the shipping label process for their privacy and for mine, but you get the idea. I cover the whole label with tape to keep it safe during the shipping process, and then that's everything. Thanks for watching, everybody. See ya!